What's up guys, this is Amit and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video we are gonna go all creative at our home. We're gonna make a stylus so that we can go creative with our stories and our phone. Number 2, we're gonna make triggers which we can use to play games. And number 3, we're gonna make a holder for the smartphone so that when it charges and you don't have a place to keep it, that's there for you always. So watch the video till the end so you can know the best about it. Let's jump straight into the topic. If you write something with your finger, it doesn't go well. And then you need to use something that's more accurate. Like if I write here, you can't understand it, nor do I, but I have written something I know because I wrote it. Else someone won't understand it, what it is, I would say. So let's make a stylus so that we can go creative with your smartphone.
For making a stylus, we're gonna use a foil paper. So the touch on a smartphone works because our fingers have an electric charge, and whenever we touch the screen, the charge is transferred to the screen, which allows the touch to function. So this foil is gonna be the conductor we are gonna use in our stylus. We're gonna take a piece out of the foil. We don't want a bigger foil, and some old pen or pencil based on your preference. Once a piece has been taken out, we're gonna cut it keeping the extra foil on the side. Now cut this piece of foil in the shape of a T. T for tech milestone. Now take the old pen or pencil, wrap the foil around the pen or pencil so that we can touch some place to the stylus and it's gonna work. Then we're gonna completely cover all the sides because we don't want that the stylus works from one side only. So once we have cut everything and done everything related to this, now this actually becomes a kind of stylus in itself. But if you use the foil directly on your smartphone screen, it's gonna lead to more of scratches rather than being a work efficient. So we need to cover that. So I'm gonna use a sellotape. But the sellotape will make it smoother from the sides and protect my screen.
So as a lockdown is being there, most of us sit at home and play games. We play games like pubg, GTA 5 or Free Fire, or smartphone games only like the COD Mobile, Free Fire, Call of Duty. And whenever we play the games and other games we play, it becomes quite difficult to hold smartphone like this, like putting your index fingers in, and they take a lot of space, you know it. So today we are gonna make some cool triggers for the same. These cool triggers are gonna help to play better.
So guys, we have this safety pin, and now we are gonna add in have a molding tool. First of all, open out the safety pin to make an L shape so that you get easy access to mold this side exactly. So first of all, hold it right from here and give it a space so that it's at the right position away from your smartphone screen, and a small distance, and mold it out. Now you have something like this. Then take a gap of the width of your smartphone, or quite more, so that it fits on your smartphone perfectly, and again hold it and mold it. Make sure it molds perfectly. You can mold it more than 90 degrees so that you can have a better grip on your smartphone. So now we are done with the loop, and now we are gonna make this thing go back right up. It won't go easily, so we just made it back out here. Use it to make it perfect. Now we have something like this. Again hold it from the same length that we molded the other side, and put it back towards the back side. Now we have something like this, and then we're going to have it and bend it a little, not much, a little, so that whenever we use this as a trigger and press it, it doesn't make us touch or feel something bad. Wrap a foil around it, and see, I can use quick ball using my finger.
Take the charger of your smartphone, then take a cardboard. The charger is taken just for the measurement, some strings if you want to tie to make it look nicer, a scissor, and cut the cardboard into a square of length that you desire. Try to keep it more than the screen size. Take your charger, put 2 dots on the holes where you want. You can use anything to mark it. Then make holes using either pen, or you can even use scissors to make the holes. This is going to the place that's gonna hold the entire smartphone to make it little bit tighter. So now see, it actually fits. Remove the excess. That's all there. Now it's time for making the smartphone to get stand. Put out your smartphone the orientation that you want. If you want like this, you need to cut this much only, but if you want something like this, you need to cut more, so that both the sides are covered. Now cut one side. Before you cut the other one, take your smartphone to mark where to cut the rest one. Cut the rest one till that point your smartphone screen completely fits. Okay, so now we are almost done. Just keep the side stripes upward, and at the down there, tape it out and use much adhesive taping, just because this taping is going to be the one that's going to hold the entire weight of the smartphone. Take your smartphone out, fix more tape on the back as well. Try to make it as strong as possible, because it's gonna have almost all your weight. Try to make it into the exact center if you want, or you can go creative with drawing something on your cardboard so that it looks nicer if placed. Now put your phone in, your charger here, attach the cable from here and make it go on the wall. See, just like this, it would be standing right there with the wall.
So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you give this video a big fat thumbs up. If it comes in handy to you, comment below which thing out of these three is gonna you make at your home and be useful for you. Comment down below and show your creativity with the brand new stylus that you created yourself. So see you guys in the next. Till then, goodbye, love and peace.